Hey everyone, welcome to Massive Profit, your go-to channel for learning how to make money online. I'm your guide, and today we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategies, this video has got you covered. So let's get started. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn passive income online, but what exactly is it and how can you get started? That's what we're here to find out. What is affiliate marketing? First things first, let's define affiliate marketing. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. It's a win-win situation. Companies get more customers, and you get paid. Here's a quick overview of how it works. 1. Join an affiliate program. Sign up with a company that has an affiliate program. 2. Choose products to promote. Pick the products you want to recommend. 3. Share your affiliate links. Use your unique affiliate links to promote the products. 4. Earn commissions. Make money every time someone buys through your link. It's that straightforward. How to get started. Now that we know what affiliate marketing is, let's talk about how you can get started. There are a few key steps to follow. Step 1. Choose your niche. First, choose your niche. This is crucial because you want to promote products that you are passionate about and that have a large, engaged audience. Popular niches include health and fitness, technology, personal finance, beauty, and travel. Think about what you enjoy and what you can talk about with authority. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Next, join affiliate programs. Some of the most popular ones include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. These platforms offer a wide range of products to promote, and signing up is usually free and straightforward. Once you're approved, you'll get access to unique affiliate links for each product you choose to promote. Step 3. Create a platform. Step 3 is to create a platform where you can share your affiliate links. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a social media account, or even an email newsletter. The key is to choose a platform that suits your strengths. If you love writing, a blog might be the way to go. If you prefer video, then a YouTube channel is perfect. Step 4. Generate content. Now it's time to create content. Your content should provide value to your audience and naturally incorporate your affiliate links. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you could create workout tutorials and include links to the equipment you use. The goal is to build trust with your audience so they're more likely to click on your links and make a purchase. Step 5. Drive traffic. Finally, drive traffic to your content. There are several ways to do this. SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your content to rank higher in search engine results. Social media marketing. Share your content on social media platforms. Paid advertising. Use ads to reach a broader audience quickly. Remember, more traffic means more potential for clicks and sales. Tips for success. Now that you know the basics, let's go over some tips to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. Tip 1. Choose quality products. Always choose quality products that you believe in. Promoting products that are valuable and reliable will build your credibility and trust with your audience. Avoid promoting products just because they offer high commissions if they don't provide real value. Tip 2. Be transparent. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships. Let them know that you may earn a commission if they purchase through your links. Honesty builds trust, and trust leads to more sales in the long run. Tip 3. Focus on content. Content is king. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value and addresses the needs of your audience. Your content should educate, entertain, or solve a problem for your viewers. Tip 4. Build an email list. Building an email list is a powerful way to stay connected with your audience and promote your affiliate products. Offer a freebie or valuable content in exchange for their email address, and then nurture that relationship through regular, valuable emails. Tip 5. Track your performance. Use analytics tools to track your performance. Most affiliate programs provide detailed reports on clicks, sales, and commissions. Use this data to understand what works and what doesn't, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some common mistakes that beginners often make in affiliate marketing. Mistake 1. Expecting quick results. Don't expect quick results. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Stay patient and persistent, and you'll start seeing results over time. Mistake 2. Spamming links. Avoid spamming your affiliate links everywhere. This not only looks unprofessional, but can also turn people away. Focus on providing value first, and the sales will follow. Mistake 3. Not testing products. Promote products you've tested and believe in. If you're recommending something you've never used, it can harm your credibility if the product doesn't deliver. Mistake 4. Ignoring SEO. Don't ignore SEO. Optimizing your content for search engines can significantly increase your traffic and, in turn, your sales. Mistake 5. Giving up too soon. Finally, don't give up too soon. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and stay committed to your goals. Conclusion. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing for beginners. We covered what affiliate marketing is, how to get started, tips for success, and common mistakes to avoid. Thanks for watching. If you found this content valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Massive Profit for more tips on making money online. Click the link in our description box to access the affiliate link and get started with the course. By doing so, you'll be supporting our channel and helping us create more content like this. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks, and happy affiliate marketing!